Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add product categories in Shopify, and it will be a step-by-step breakdown for you guys. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So first of all, what are the product categories? In Shopify, product categories are created using something called collection or connection. So collections are groups of products that have something in common, for example, men's clothing, then bestsellers, on sale, or summer collections. So you can create collection manually or automatically and then display them on your home page, menus, or product page. So if you are just getting started and want to organize your products by category like clothing, electronics, or accessories, this video will be perfect for you. So first of all, as you can see, we are already landed in our shopify.com, and here we have the options called start for free. In fact, when you will click over here, they will give you the trial version to use you, which is similar to the premium one. So I already have an account in Shopify, so I will just click on login. Once I click over here, then they will redirect us to this panel. It's called dashboard panel. In here you can see, if I give you the visibility of our front-end design, this is our website and it is really organized, and we have one solo product and we have this menu bars in the top. So now I'm going to add a category. It means I am going to add product category. So there is a couple of options, but I'm going to give you the simplest one, that is the collection one. So here you just need to come over that place into the product, and here you can see we have this product. So first of all, you need to understand why or how this collection really work. So here we have this options called type. So if you click over here, you can type anything over that place. It's a boya, I can write it microphone. This is the type of this product. Like, you need to give the product organization over that place. So you can add these tags over here. Similarly, I'm going to add the text tags over here, and here you can see we already added tags over that place. Then we have these default templates. Also, if I create another product on Shopify, then let's see, just click on product, and here you just need to click on this add product button. Just click over here, and now you can see we have this similar option into the right corner, the product organization. So here, if you want to add or organize with this product, with this category, just click over here, and then here you can see we have this collections options in near this product organization. So let's back to the collection page. You will find out under the products. If you check this out, you will find out that we already have an collection that's called homepage. So I'm going to add other couple of options or title over that place. Just for that reason, I'm going to click on create collections. Once I click over here, then here you can see we will get the options here to add this collection. So I'm going to make or give a name that will be microphone. Then you can give a description over here. If it is not essential, so you can leave it. So I'm going to leave it here, and then here you can see product. You need to find out your product or search product, so you can add it here. Just click on browse, and we have an product. So I'm not going to add this one. I will just create the collection, and then I will click over here into the save. Once I click over here, then we have the collections called microphone and homepage. So I'm going to add a couple of product in that platform. So let's click on add product, and I will give a name that will be jeans, and then I will give a price. Let's add an image also to make it like professional. So I'm going to add this one. Then inventory will be 10, or you can uncheck this one, track quantity, and then let's save it. And now once you're done, we have two products on that platform. So I'm going to add microphone option in that platform. So here I will search for micro collection, and I will uncheck this one and check this one. Once I'm done, just click over here into the save. Once I click over here save, then if I visit the collection and I will visit that platform, then here you will find out that our own product has been ordered in this section. So The process is really simple. Let's click on view, and here you can check out the link. This will be work as a category options. So now I'm going to implement this microphone word into the menu bar, like I'm going to associate it. So that for reason I will come back to this one, and let's go and find out the content, and here we will have the options called menus. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then you will find out bunch of options called main menu, footer menu, and also customer account main menu. So I'm going to select this one, main menu. Once I click over here, now eventually you will find out the result here, that result we are showing in that option. So here you can see we have home, catalog, and contact page. So I'm going to change this one like this way. Just click on add menu item. Once I click over here, I'm going to give a name that will be microphone, and then I'm going to search for paste link. Just search here, and here you can see we have the option called home page, search, collection, products, page, blog post, policies, and many more. So I'm going to click on collection, and they will give us the option. Here you can see that I'm going to select this microphone, and after selecting this link has been implemented on this word. So I'm going to click on save. Once I'm done, I will visit on this platform and I will refresh it. So let's go and let's check this out. So it will sometime give you some glitch on website, so you need to be refresh it properly. So it will take a while to change it, so we need to be wait a while, and we need to be like, as you can see, finally we get this microphone category option over here. Now we can access it easily from this menu bar. Once I click over here, it will be redirect us to that panel. We already have two products, but you can see we are getting this result by the category. So this makes this process really simple. As you can see, this is the eventual result. This way you can add your category like using the collection options. So here the process really easy. This way you can add many, like let's add another one that will be jeans, and let's click on save. Once I'm done, and the main thing is you can add product from through these options, products. Just click on browse and you will get eventual product option. Just select it and add it and just save it, and now you can see this is the save, and you can select short option, product title. We have couple of options. Once you're done, you just need to be come back again into the menu bar and come to content and click on menus. Once I'm done, just come back here and add a new item in your menu bar. I'm going to name it jeans, and select your similar options like select from the collection. When you click it, they will give you the option jeans. Then here you just need to be click on save. Once you did it, now eventually your result will become on your shop. Just click on online store, and here you can see our category page has been added into our menu bar, and it has separate pages over that panel. So now you can see it. So I hope this video was really helpful for you. If you have any question related to this video, then you can ask me on the comment box. I will give you replies as soon as possible. Till then, have a good day, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.